How to fix can't follow on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix can't follow on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like I have done. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different posts that have been shared by people. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. Normally, Instagram allows you to follow about 7,500 accounts before you encounter this error. So check if you have reached that limit. Also, this error occurs if you have followed too many people in a short period. So make sure you don't follow people too fast and go slow when following users. If that is the case, then wait for some hours or a day and then try again. If all that does not work, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings and Activity page of Instagram. On this page, there are options and settings that you can use to tweak and make changes to the settings of your account. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. After that, come to this section named More Info and Support. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Help. You will then land on this other page where there are more options that you can use to access help on the app. From them, tap this one here named Report a Problem. After that, this menu pops up from the bottom of the page. Next, tap this option here named Report Problem Without Shaking. After that, another page will appear where you will see some important information you can use for your account. From the options at the bottom of the page, tap this one named Don't Include and continue. Finally, this feedback box appears where you are supposed to type a short message asking the support team to help fix the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. Send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Also, go to either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using. After that, check if the Instagram app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get the latest features plus missing features. Also, this removes corrupt files and bags that may be causing the problem. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to fix can't follow on Instagram.